Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and today's video isn't going to help that many people, but if you're ever drawing a pentagon and you need, like I made this one 35, if you need 40-foot sides, I actually did this recently. I'm building a butterfly hummingbird garden and I wanted 40-foot walls. So you can just draw any size pentagon. I just drew one, I measured it out, but we need 40 times point or divided by 0.6180, and it comes up with 64.725. So I'm going to take this pentagon that is 28 feet on one side, and I'm going to change this dimension right here, which is 24.72, to 64.725. Now my walls are 40 feet long. Once again, this won't help you too much unless you're drawing something to scale. And I use Corel Draw a lot. You know, I figured out how many posts I would need, you know, how far apart the posts would be, and then my square footage of the whole bed. And just surprisingly, just a little bit of information, if you took a rectangle that is 40 feet by 40 feet, and this one is 40 feet by 4 sides, this is 1,600 square feet. By me just adding a few more posts and a little bit more wire, I made it over 2,750 square feet. Quite a bit difference in size, just by adding a few more posts and making it a little more interesting. Anyway, so 6.6180 would be a factor on a pentagon. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.